Hello Conquerors, how are you all? This is Shobh Dolakia and you are watching Conquer World. So, till now we have done part 1 an introduction to C programming language. So, today we are going to do part 2 for C programming language. So, in this, two topics are going to be done. First is Hello World, and plus we are just going to do some of the syntax errors that can come during your programming. Cool guys? So let's go. So our planning would be like, first we will complete whole program or say whole code, and then we will check all type of errors that can come during your programming. Cool guys? So let's start our first program, that is most famous, world famous Hello World program. So let's first start chord blocks. Okay. So here, in this, we will go with create a new project, right? So create a new project. There are some types of C program that can be done in chord blocks, right? So we will go with the basic one that is known as console application. Okay, then go. Then we will check C, not C++, guys. Don't make mistake there. Then we need to take project title, so I will take tutorial 1. Then you need to take the file where you want to save your project. So I have already selected that, so I won't select it. So I will go with next. Yes. Finish. Yes. So here, under tutorial 1 there is written sources. So it's a sources. So here we need to go with plus, and there we see a file that is main plus C. So main plus C is the file in which we are going to start our programming, right? So we will go with main plus C, double click on that, and here the most basic program that is known as the Hello World program comes in front of us. So it is a default program in this, right? So the main task of this program is to just print Hello World, or say if I change the text and put Hello Shubh, then it will go with Hello Shubh. If I put Hello Conquerors, then it will go with Hello Conquerors, right guys? So let's first check and print out that how it happens, right? So this build button, build button is known as the compiler. We had a talk, right, that it translates our language into the language of computer, that is binary language. So this build button is the compiler. So it will first compile and it will check that is there any error in our code or not. So here it has built and there is no errors, right? So now we will go with run. So we get to run, and there our program works. It's Hello World. So in this way you can do your program also. If I change here Hello Conquerors, yes, done. So let me build. So it's built, right? Now let's print it out. So Hello Conquerors is now printed up. So now guys, let's hear carefully this, that now we are just going to accept these lines, this include stdio.h, int, main, and everything, as just we need something to type, and it's necessary because eventually we have not covered it yet. So after some time, as in part 3 or part 4, we are just going to cover everything, but now you just need to make your basics best on printf, right guys? So let's take printf. So what does this printf means? So printf prints your command on this program. So if you need to print out hello conquerors, you can easily print it out. If you need to print out hello shub, you can easily do it. Then if you need to print out that my age is 18 years, so you can easily print out that also. So in this way printf prints each and every statement that you want on this program. Cool guys? So it's basically nothing, it's just a statement that can print any type of string. So what is string? So the statement inside the printf command is known as a string. So string is something that can be inside the inverted commas and in the parenthesis is called a string. It's simply a string. Cool guys? So now let's just take some of the errors and go with that how does error works, right? So let's take out this semicolon and let me compile. So now how to know that we have done mistake at this place, right? So for that, just see the red box in front of 7 number, in front of 7 number, and there is an error written, right? There is error box below our code. There is an error box even below our code. So there is written expected semicolon before return, right? So before return, so there is nothing on 7th line before return, right? Return 0, right? Return 0, before there is nothing before return 0, right? So we need to go on the 6th line. 6th line, so what is the last thing written there? So it's closed parenthesis, right? So we need to take closed parenthesis as last thing. So after that we need to put semicolon as it's written over there in error box, that before return we have to put semicolon. So in this way we put semicolon and let's go and compile. So could not be saved. Okay, so it's compiled successfully and now we can even run it. Yes, hello conquerors. So in this way we can eventually run anything, but we just need to analyze where the error is, right? If I take out this parenthesis, right, and then if I compile it, oh, there is again an error, right? But if I don't know where is the error, then let's see where is the red box. Red box is on 6th line. So is error on 5th line? No, we need to check error box. Error box says there is an expected close parenthesis before semicolon. So we need to take just look at the red box. So it's on 6. So 6 before semicolon. So before semicolon is there is directly inverted commas. Oh no, and I have put open parenthesis. Oh shit. So I have to close the parenthesis, right guys? So that's the problem, right? So let me put close parenthesis. Cool. So now let's compile. It's compiled successfully. Cool guys. So let me now take a second error. Let me take out a inverted comma. Let's try to build it. Again an red box on 6th line. So let me check. There is something on 5th line. No, there is nothing on 5th line. So what would be error? Let's go in error box. So in error box it's written hello is undeclared. Something is undeclared. So hello is undeclared. Why hello is undeclared? We had a talk, right? That there is a string if it's inside the inverted commas, right? And inside parentheses, exactly. But there is not an opening inverted comma. So that's our mistake. So let's check it out. So if I put, guys, please do remember some of the logic and some of the algorithm, that if we need to make a statement and we need to convert a statement into the string, then we would need inverted commas and open close parentheses, and after that we need a semicolon. So these things makes you a perfect programmer. Cool guys, so now we have got exact compilation and let's try to run it. Yes, hello conquerors. So in this way you can easily solve any type of error. So guys, do you think these errors can make you fail in your any type of projects or exams? No, these errors are so simple, and if you do it in code blocks then it would be better, because in error box you get the line, right? And even there is a red box on that line, so you can know that yes, the error is on 6th line or on 7th line or on 17th line, right? So in this way you can eventually know that where the error is. And I will put this this file, tutorial1 file, in description, so please download it and try to solve different type of error that is made by you. Like if you take out this parenthesis, then what type of error can come, or you take out this h, then what type of error can come, or you take out this semicolon, then what can come, or if you take out this curly braces, then what can come. So in this way you can eventually go through different type of errors, because as per the quote by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he says that error makes a person successful, failure makes a person successful, right? So you need to go with the errors and you need to check where the error can come. So whenever you are making different type of long programs, then eventually you can easily go through your errors in those programs. Cool guys, so let's now go to presentation again, and let's go and let's check what the syntax errors. So we have done syntax errors, that whenever you are missing something, whenever you miss or forget something to write, the error can come. So guys, make a small note of that. You can, if you are missing something, if expected something is before any command or any written statement, then you would be missing a semicolon or parenthesis or curly brackets, right? But if you are given something undeclared, if your string is said to be undeclared, then you must be leaving your parenthesis or inverted commas. So guys, please make a note that if something is undeclared in your simple programs, then it can be inverted commas, or even it can be parentheses. But if something is missing before a command or before something, then it can be semicolon, it can be curly braces. So in this way you can easily analyze error, and there is no worry, because there you do not need to worry, because error line is eventually mentioned. That red box comes, right? So eventually you can know that there is an error on this line. So this is cool guys. Please try to analyze different type of error more than I have solved and I have told you, so that you can be a best programmer ever. Thank you very much guys. If you do not understand anything, or you come under any problem, then do comment. I will surely answer your problem. If you need any type of video on another subject or another topic, then please comment. We will make videos on that topics too. Like this video and do subscribe. Press the bell icon and share this with your friends and colleagues, so that even they can know and they can start programming too, and they can get other knowledge too. Thank you very much guys. Thank you for watching.